Good morning, guys. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Could be Friday. Don't even know. It's our day 4 on the road. Here at Kathmandu. Sun's getting ready to come up. Look. We got to do business before even the sun comes up. Not a bad campground. They need a water truck bad. By the time this is over, that's going to be nothing but powder. Charlie having problems with his RV. I think it's self-induced. I think he forgot to get his propane. I'm being led right now. Sun's getting ready to come up. It's about 5:30 or so a.m. From what I hear, Hog Heaven is packed. I guess the fuel prices ain't hurting nobody. I kind of thought it would. But I guess if you can afford a rig like this, you can afford the fuel to put in it to go on a vacation. Oh, we could. We just saved up. Didn't go nowhere else. But we're going to have to. We got a lot of maintenance now. Got to work on the bike. Get that buffed out when we get home. I'm not going to do any more. I'm going to enjoy the trip here. Going to have to buff out the RV from all the tar all over it. That'll have to be cleaned off. Couldn't find the tire store anywhere around here, so I guess we're not going to be putting tires on the rig around here. So we got a spare. We're going to put the spare on it. We're going to go about 118 miles to Gillette, and they have a good tire shop that will be open on Saturday because that's when we're going to be able to get the tire. I'm not going to pull up and go into town, fight bike traffic to get into this little dinky ass town and get a new tire. We're just going to go to Gillette, and I think I'm just going to get all new tires all the way around. Screw it. No telling how old those are. I was going to replace them anyway. Might as well do it now. Feel safe, you know what I mean? So that's what's up. You guys heard of Bob and Tam? They're over here somewhere. I think right over there. I haven't ran into them yet. But maybe we'll cut across here. It's going to give you a sun-up picture, but we got clouds. Thank God. It was so hot yesterday, guys. I don't think I even told you guys it was my gauge on the... Yeah, you found something, Tim. You found something, Hank. Can we keep going? Okay, you got it. All right. Back to what I was saying. It was so hot on my bike, it said it was 108, and it felt like it. We got into the mountains yesterday. Did a lot of riding yesterday. Gonna do a lot today too. We're going to, matter of fact, we're going, let's see, we're gonna go do Keystone today. We're going to go to do Iron Mountain Road, Custer Wildlife Loop. We'll get a couple 100 miles planned for today also. So we're going to go check that out. I'll make a lot of videos for you guys. And it hopefully is going to be a little cooler. About 5 or 10 degrees cooler today. And if that cloud stays out, that'll help. That sun beating down on us was really bad. So I'm going to fire this video on pretty soon. As soon as I get through recording, I think I'll fire it on for you guys. I wish I knew what day it was. I think, let's see, we left on a Tuesday. Yeah. We left on a Tuesday. Yeah, got here on a Wednesday. Yesterday was, the other day's Friday. What do you know? We had a good time so far. We've all had bad shit, but we're still, you roll with it. Roll with the punches, guys. I don't think we're going to see a sunrise. I got up early because of, you know, and was hoping to see a sunrise. It's down behind the clouds. Anyway, this is Kathmandu. This is what you get. I guess there's a bar down there. We haven't had time to even get to the bar. So I think I'll walk down that way and put this on for you. All right, you guys have a great day. Hang in with us. I'll fire some shorts on from where we are, and I got tons of video for home editing, and we'll get that out to you as soon as we get home. So we'll see y'all later. Hang in here. We're gonna have a great day. Well, we finally got here to Piedmont Valley Post number 311, American Legion Hall. We stopped here yesterday. You've seen the video of that. They were not open yet, but they are today. We're going to have some breakfast. We got a big ride to go today. Hopefully my video downloaded that I put on early this morning at 5 a.m. It was still loading at that time. We got some new riders with us. We got John, aka ZZ Twin Cam, because he's the only one that has a twin cam motor. And we got some other guys over there, I think, were riding with us, or did we? I don't know where they are. We're meeting other people. We're going to go in here and grab some breakfast right now. I'm sure Vicky's in there already. Yeah.
Well, he recognized you out of this crowd.
Yeah. Well, that guy right over there, that guy's named Josh. Hopefully I got him on the recorder, but sometimes it shuts off. But that's Josh. He follows our channels. He met us here. He may be traveling with us today. Well, we're at Keystone. We're going to check this out. And we got ZZ Top riding with us today. Or I mean, ZZ Twin Cam. I guess that's it. Let's just call it John. But everybody's here. We're all filming, as you can see. We're going to go over there and get in the shady side of town. Take some more pictures. Hey, it's Dave! It's simply Dave. We're parked right there. All right. Looks shady here. That's a good spot for us. It's hot again today, guys. Hot again today. And that's the town of Keystone right there. Oh, the train must be firing up. Don't think it's going to go far. The tracks only go to there. Well, we found a place with misters.
Just sit here all day. This place gets packed, man. Everybody's coming up here to sit.
Not a very big town. I think that's about it right there. And that's where it starts right there. Keystone. Yep, Keystone. That's where we are. I'm gonna give me a lemonade or something. Whew, no alcoholic for me. Too much riding left to go.
Here we go.
Hey, you got a picture of me doing what I do. Here we are. We are at Mount Rushmore, not the thing, but the thing. Alongside the road where you're not supposed to park, but you know, sometimes you got to do things illegal to get a good shot of them guys up there. You can see the wrinkles with this camera, can't you guys? Yeah. Well, you've seen Keystone. We're not going to go in and look at this one. We've all been there many times. We're going to head on down the road. And we got one more stop. We'll probably take some more pictures. And look at that beautiful girl. Show us your boobs. Hurry, show us your boobs. There you go.